Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and acquiring access. This is crucial because PowerPlay restricts who can submit PowerPoints. Once done, open Brawl Stars and go straight to Events. Tap PowerPlay to inspect requirements. Make sure you have the necessary trophies, tickets, or resources before proceeding, because attempting without them will block submissions. Then select the PowerPlay entry, check your roster, and prepare your chosen brawlers. You will need them ready to submit reliable PowerPoints for ranking. You now prepare your PowerPoints by choosing a meta brawler that fits the map and mode. This matters because the system rewards consistent performance. Once chosen, make sure to equip the right gadgets and star powers and confirm loadout synergy with teammates. Then play qualifying rounds, focusing on repeated top finishes. Once you hit reliable results, submit your best PowerPoints. Remember to monitor matchmaking and adjust tactics. Small playstyle tweaks can significantly increase your submitted score. You finish by reviewing your submitted PowerPoints to confirm they registered and to see final placement. This step verifies that your effort converted into rank. Once confirmed, claim any earned rewards and note areas to improve for the next session, because iterative adjustments raise long-term placement. If something goes wrong, like a missing submission, first restart the app, check Brawl Stars server status, and then retry submission. If that still fails, wait a few minutes before attempting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.